Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is Lord of the Lost, who are, by a very long way, my wife's favourite band. I mean, nobody else comes close, okay? So, they've got a new album coming out called Judas. I nearly said the name of the song then. This is the song Priest. So that album cover is the stuff of nightmares, isn't it? I don't even, it's literally staring it back at me from a screen over there and I don't like it. This album's not out until July the 2nd. So if it's your thing, you've got some time to save up a whole, I don't know, £10. So this song called Priest. Now I've done Lord of the Lost songs before. So if you're a Lord of the Lost fan and you've just landed on this video because you saw it in YouTube recommends or something, go and look at my other YouTube videos about Lord of the Lost if you want to see me go on and on about Lord of the Lost. I'm not going to repeat everything I said again here, but other than to say Lord of the Lost are an incredibly hard-working band. The breadth of the output from this band is incredible. So this song, which I have seen, is, you know, we're in an industrial sort of goth territory. But it's by no means what this band is capable of, you know. They have classical music. There is just so much stuff. Their lead singer, Chris Harms, seems to work, well, non-stop. It's just, they're just such a hard-working band. And he has this great tone, this great tone to his voice that you can't ignore, really. So let's just get on with it. Lord of the Lost, song Priest, off their upcoming album Judas. I have a lot of time for this band, and as I say, my wife's just obsessed and has been for years.
From a million drying lakes, I have cried the tears of none. Empty shivers calling for my time far undone. I assume that there is no one that can find my peace of mind. They assume that I am guilty, but guilt I see none. I was born to be a traitor, invidious to the core. I betrayed to be the savior in times to come and times of yore. The fallen traitor hiding when all is said and done. The crown deserves its right king in the shadow of the sun. We're but guilt I see none. The holy fist of justice became too tired to fight. And Jesus, he knows me, and he knows I am right.
Too late. That song is so well written. So even if you don't like the style, say it's just not your thing, you're more of a death metal person or whatever, the song is so well put together. You've got those incredible clean vocals of the verses, you've got the heavy music, you've got that almost sort of bludgeoning bridge, and then you've got that amazing melodic chorus that you can sing along to. I can see this now. I can see it already. That live, the bit where it just stops and it's whoa. You can imagine it, can't you? The crowd I'd just string that out for a good 32 bars. I think. Just keep going, crowd. Hold the microphone out. Whoa. But that's good songwriting. To piece together all of those elements and have it all hang together as a good song. I mean, as I mentioned briefly at the beginning, but like I say, if you go and look at my other videos about Lord of the Lost, I think one of them I went on and on and on about the diversity of them. These guys have been around for a while and they definitely know what they're doing. They are completely professional musicians, you know. They write all of this, they write all the classical music, all sorts of things, you know. So when they put their mind to something like this, I'm not saying it's easy, but they know what they're doing. They can put the elements in and lift the song up and bring it back again and and mix all of this stuff together. That's good songwriting. The production's fantastic. It's really heavy when it needs to be, and it's totally clean when it needs to be. I haven't got a bad thing to say about it. Not a single bad thing. I really like that. And this album was going to turn up at my house anyway, because, like I say, my wife totally obsessed. It wouldn't surprise me if she gets it in like the album version, the CD version, and the cassette tape version. There you go. Any Lord of the Lost fans that have turned up to see this, they're already sold and preaching to the converted. See what I did there? But anyone who likes things that are a bit industrial like that, you know, this is just such a great example of of its kind of music, as I've said in the past about other bands, you know. So there you go, Lord of the Lost Priest off this album, Judas, not out until the 2nd of July, so a while, you know, nearly 2 months away from when I'm recording this. I assume they'll release something else before the actual, or as the album releases, or whatever, and I will probably cover that too. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.